Om Hrinkari. Shihu is the form of syllable Hrim. Hrimati. Shihu is endowed with modesty. Hridya. Shihu abides in the heart. Heyo Padeya Varchita. Shihu has nothing to reject or accept. Raja Rajarchita. Shihu is worshipped by the King of Kings. Ragni. Shihu is the queen of Shiva, the lord of all kings. Ramya. Shihu gives delight. Shihu is lovely. Rajiva Lochana. Shihu's eyes are like Rajiva, that is lotus. Ranjani. Shihu delights the mind. Ramani. Shihu gives joy. Rasya. Shihu is to be enjoyed. Shihu enjoys. Ranat Kingini Mekala. Shihu wears a girdle of tinkling bells. Rama. Shihu has become Lakshmi and Saraswati. Ragendu Vadana. Shihu has a delightful face like the full moon. Rati Rupa. Shihu is in the form of Rati, the wife of Kama. Rati Priya. Shihu is fond of Rati. Shihu is served by Rati. Rakshakari. Shihu is the protector. Rakshasagni. Shihu is the slayer of the entire race of demons. Rama. Shihu gives delight. Ramana Lampada. Shihu is devoted to the Lord of her heart, that is, Lord Shiva. Kamya. Shihu is to be desired. Kamakala Rupa. Shihu is in the form of Kamakala. Kadamba Kusuma Priya. Shihu is especially fond of Kadamba flowers. Kalyani. Shihu bestows auspiciousness. Jagadeganda. Shihu is the root of the whole world. Karuna Rasa Sagara. Shihu is the ocean of compassion. Kalavati. Shihu is the embodiment of all arts. Kalalapa. Shihu speaks musically and sweetly. Kanta. Shihu is beautiful. Kadambari Priya. Shihu is fond of mead. Varada. Shihu grants boons generously. Vamanayana. Shihu has beautiful eyes. Varuni Madavihvala. Shihu is intoxicated by Varuni, that is, ambrosial drink. Vishwadhika. Shihu transcends the universe. Veda Vedya. Shihu is known through the Vedas. Vindhyachala Nivasini. Shihu resides in the Vindhya mountain. Vidhatri. Shihu creates and sustains this universe. Veda Janani. Shihu is the mother of the Vedas. Vishnu Maya. Shihu is the illusory power of Vishnu. Vilasini. Shihu is playful. Kshetra Swarupa. Shihu's body is matter. Kshetreshi. Shihu is the wife of Kshetra, that is, Lord Shiva. Kshetrajna Palini. Shihu is the protector of matter and the knower of matter, therefore the protector of body and soul. Kshaya Vriddhi Nivirmukta. Shihu is free from growth and decay. Kshetrapala Samarchita. Shihu is worshipped by Kshetrabala, that is, Shiva in infant form. Vijaya. Shihu is ever victorious. Vimala. Shihu is without a trace of impurity. Vandya. She who is adorable, worthy of worship. Vandaru Jana Vatsala. She who is full of motherly love for those who worship her. Vakvadini. She who speaks. Vamakeshi. She who has beautiful hair. Vahnimandala Vashini. She who resides in the disk of fire. Bhaktimat Kalpalatika. She who is the Kalpa, that is, wish granting creeper to her devotees. Pashupasha Vimochini. She who releases the ignorant from bondage. Samhrudashesha Pashanda. She who destroys all heretics. Sadachara Pravartika. She who is immersed in right conduct and inspires others to follow. Tabatrayakna Sandapta Samahladana Chandrika. She who is the moonlight that gives joy to those burned by the triple fire of misery. Taruni. She who is ever young. Tabasaradhya. She who is worshipped by ascetics. Tanumadhya. She who is slender-waisted. Tamobagha. She who removes the ignorance born of tamas. Chitihi. She who is in the form of pure intelligence. Tatpada Lakshyartha. She who is the embodiment of truth, which is indicated by the word Tat. Chiteka Rasa Rupini. She who is of the nature of the pure intelligence. She who is the cause of knowledge. Swatmananda Lavibhuda Brahmatyananda Santatihi. She who makes the bliss of Brahma and others insignificant compared to her own bliss. Para. She who is the supreme. She who transcends all. Pratyak Chiti Rupa. She who is of the nature of unmanifested consciousness or of unmanifested Brahman. Pashyanti. She who is Pashyanti, the second level of sound after Para in the Swadhisthana Chakra. Paradevata. She who is the supreme deity, that is Parashakti. Madhyama. She who stays in the middle. Vaikari Rupa. She who is in the form of Vaikari, that is, sound in the manifested, audible form. Bhaktamanasa Hamsika. She who is the swan in the minds of her devotees. Kameshwara Prananadi. She who is the very life of Kameshwara, her consort. Pridaknya. She who knows all of our actions as they occur. Kama Pujita. She who is worshipped by Kama. Srunkara Rasa Sampurna. She who is filled with the essence of love. Jaya. She who is victorious always and everywhere. Jalandharastita. She who resides in the Jalandhara, that is, in the throat region. Udyana Peda Nilaya. She who adopts in the center known as Udyana in the Ajna Chakra. Bindu Mandala Vasini. She who resides in the Bindu Mandala in Sri Chakra. Rahoyaga Kramaradhya. She who is worshipped in secret through sacrificial rites. Rahastarpana Tarpita. She who is to be gratified by the secret rites of worship. Satyaf Prasadini. She who bestows her grace immediately. Vishwashakshini. She who is witness to the whole universe. Shakshi Varjita. She who has no other witness. Shadanga Devata Yukta. She who is accompanied by the deities of the 6 Angas, which is heart, head, hair, eyes, armor, and Shatkunya Paripurita. She who is fully endowed with the 6 good qualities, that is, prosperity, valor, dispassion, fame, wealth, and wisdom. Nityaklina, she who is ever compassionate. Nirupama, she who is incomparable. Nirvana Sukadayini, she who confers the bliss of liberation. Nitya Shodashika Rupa, she who is in the form of the 16 daily deities. Kameshwari, Bagamalini, Nityaklina, Perunda, Vahnivasini, Mahavajreshwari, Sivaduti, Tvarita, Kulasundari, Nitya, Neela Patagini, Vijaya, Sarvamangala, Jwala Malini, Chitra, and Tripurasundari. Sri Kandartha Saririni, she who possesses half of the body of Sri Kanda, that is Shiva. She who is in the form of Ardhanarishwara. Prabhavati, she who is effulgent. Prabharupa, she who is effulgence. Prasiddha, she who is celebrated. Parameshwari, she who is the supreme sovereign. Moola Prakritihi, she who is the first cause of the entire universe. Avyakta, she who is unmanifested. Vyakta Vyakta Swarupini, she who is in the manifested and unmanifested forms. Vyapini, she who is all pervading.